Now we're gonna take the poster board and we're gonna cut one flower, actually 3 flowers. For each stem we're gonna cut a flower. So I'm just gonna get the whole flowers. And with my little scissors, I'm going to cut all around. The flower. You can see that the shape of the flower is coming out of the picture. It's going to be prettier when you put it on the pipe cleaner, or we can say it's a stem. Okay, we'll need 3 of those. And we're going to place them on the board.